Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Uk49 lunchtime and tea time 2 June 2023. Two singles number 33 and 15. 33 in lunchtime, 15 in tea time. One extra Uk49 lunchtime and tea time 3 June 2023. My favorite number on your screen 04 12 16 19 21 25 29 and 40. These number are algorithm favorite number for our next draw Uk49 lunchtime and tea time. If you want two straight number or three straight number, just text me on my WhatsApp number +92 306 9680720. Text me on my WhatsApp number and I will share my prediction. I will charge my fees, but after draw, and my fees is winning amount 30%. Thank you.